Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Credit Karma login, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Credit Karma website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Credit Karma account. Type in your email address carefully to ensure it's correct. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure you're using the password you created. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, double-check for any typos. If everything looks good, click the Login button to proceed. After a successful login, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. If prompted, complete the authentication process as instructed. Once verified, you will have access to your Credit Karma account. If you encounter issues during login, check your internet connection. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you face persistent problems. Consider trying a different web browser or device to see if the issue resolves. If all else fails, you can reach out to Credit Karma's customer support for further assistance. Now you are ready to manage your account and access your financial insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.